4 decades ago, a leukemia diagnosis was nearly a death sentence. Over the years, cancer research and new treatments have greatly improved the survival rate. One of those treatments is stem cell transplants. An event this weekend will see locals test their stem cells to see if they can help patients around the globe. It's a swab of the cheek that could help you save a life. The kit collects a small tissue sample that can be used to find a genetic match. If you're a match, you could be a stem cell donor to a patient in need.
Stem cells are your blood cells, your white blood cells, your red blood cells, and your platelets. That helps patients that have diseases like leukemia, lymphatic cancers. Stem cells treat over 50 diseases and disorders.
For Prince George woman Sarah White, a stem cell transplant may be her only chance of survival. She was first diagnosed with leukemia in March of 2012.
I spent over a month in BGH hospital going through chemo treatments, and then did, I think, 4 rounds in total of chemotherapy. And I went into remission. That was in 2012, March. And then this past August, I relapsed my leukemia, came back at the middle of August.
After her relapse, her doctors told her she had few options left.
My best chance is to have a stem cell transplant. They looked for a donor from around the world. They have a data bank, and they looked for a donor for me, and there wasn't a perfect match for me.
Luckily for Sarah, her sister is a near perfect match.
But she was pregnant at the time, so they'd wanted to do a transplant for me a couple months ago, but we waited, and she's had the baby now, so my sister is going to fly down to Vancouver and meet me in a couple weeks, and I'll have my stem cell transplant.
They're now in the process of the transplant, but there are many others still searching for a match.
At this time, there are nearly 1,000 Canadian patients looking for a stem cell transplant, and in BC, 143 patients waiting for a stem cell transplant.
Sarah's friends and family have given her plenty of support through her cancer journey. Now her friends are hoping to help others by holding a swab test event this weekend.
I think that when anyone knows someone who's got cancer or another disease, you feel very powerless. And this is one way that we could take charge and have an effect on our own.
It's amazing. I've heard of other people holding similar events and saving, dozens of lives of people, because people don't know how easy it is to donate stem cells. It's super, super easy. My friends are amazing, and I think it'll bring out a lot of people and potentially save lives, a lot of lives.
The swab event takes place this Saturday at Pine Centre Mall from 10 until 6. If you're a match, you could give the gift of a lifetime. If you're interested in joining One Match but can't make it to the event this weekend, there's a couple of options. You can find the registration forms online at onematch.ca, or you can call the donation phone number.